I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to make your Google Calendar completely private. However, it's important to note that people you share this Google Calendar with will still have access to it. Additionally, you can only do this through the Google Calendar website, and you can't do it through the Google Calendar app for iPhone, iPad, or Android devices. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to calendar.google.com, and then sign in to your Google account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Google Calendar home screen. Step 2. Navigate to the My Calendar section, find the Google Calendar that you want to make completely private, and then hold your cursor over that calendar name. A vertical ellipses will be displayed next to it. Step 3. Click the vertical ellipses displayed next to that calendar name to open a context menu, and then click Settings and Sharing in that menu. The Google Calendar settings window opens to show the Calendar Settings section. Step 4. Scroll down to the Access Permission for Events section, and then click to remove the checkmark from Make Available to Public. That specific Google Calendar will no longer be public and will be completely private going forward. It's important to note that people you share this Google Calendar with will still have access to it. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.